Cheesecake French Toast. Looks good. Gotta try it.
Oh, yeah.
Homestead kitchen living. Let's make cooking fun again. Start with 1 egg in a small mixing bowl. Add a quarter of a cup of milk or heavy cream. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. Sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Now add a little bit of honey and a tablespoon of flour. Makes your batter a lot smoother. Mix that all together. Add 2 ounces of softened cream cheese and a tablespoon of sugar in a bowl and mix that together. Now add your cream cheese onto a slice of bread. Make a sandwich with the second slice of bread and dip both sides of the sandwich into the egg mixture. Now fry your cheesecake French toast in a frying pan over some medium heat. Use a tablespoon of butter for each side of the French toast. Don't forget to add butter to your second side of your French toast. Your cheesecake French toast is done. Just add a little syrup, cut yourself a slice, and enjoy.